Thank you so much for all the tremendous effort from the Korean government for the develop the UAM industry. Thank you.
Let me introduce the next speaker.
중국 민간 항공총국 CAAC
Yang Fei of Air Traffic Regulation Office and Chui Will Liang of CAAC will give you a presentation on developing a new aviation ecosystem in China.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. This is from CAAC China. I and my colleague will take a subject to develop a new aviation ecosystem in China. We share some our idea and experience. First of all, thanks for inviting us to join this meeting.
In China, are conducting flight demonstration Xinin EHANG.
Recently, we have started our certification process of EHANG EH216S. So regarding the type certification for EH216S, we are in the process of special type of certification. For example, transporting passengers and remotely controlled. And we will apply a special kind of criteria. We plan to introduce more talents and human resources in this certification process to expedite the process. So regarding the progress of EHANG certification project specifically, I'd like to briefly go over about this. In December 2020, EHANG has made an application for type certification for CAAC, and we have received their application in January 2021. And CAAC has formed this task force to be involved in this type certification project for EHANG. So for AAM operators such as EHANG, one of our important and meaningful customers of CAAC. That is why we are taking this very seriously and making a lot of efforts in this type certification project for EHANG. And also we have conducted a tremendous amount of research. We have prepared special conditions for EHANG, the characteristics of the EHANG's vehicle, and the goal of safety. CAAC has already conducted all the initial tasks that are required in the type certification project for EHANG.